Let's kickstart today's show with the global macros as always. Let's start with Chinese regulators. They've issued notices to lower payments for both first and second time home buyers. Under regulatory action, they also slashed interest rates on existing mortgages. As per the issued notice, the lowest down payment for first time home purchasers will be 20%, while it will be 30% for second time buyers.
And meanwhile, inflation in the Eurozone came in higher than expectations for August, albeit still unchanged when compared to previous month's figure. Headline inflation came in at 5.3% versus the 5.1% estimate. Core inflation, however, fell over the same period by 0.2 of a percentage point, and it is now at the same level as headline inflation at the 5.3% mark.
Right, and US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen will be participating in the G20 Leaders Summit. This will be Yellen's fourth visit to India in 10 months. What's expected to be on her agenda? Well, efforts on debt structuring and strengthening global economies. That's possibly what she's looking to go or push for.
And shifting focus to earnings, as we discussed earlier, then UBS shares rallied on the back of a blockbuster Q2 result. A net profit of $28.8 billion on the back of its acquisition of rival Credit Suisse. Meanwhile, tech giant Dell reported better than expected Q2 results, largely led by a surge in their services and software maintenance agreements. Top line for the company picked up a whopping $22.9 billion.
Well, and switching over, Canadian e-commerce giant Shopify inks a deal with Amazon to offer its Buy with Prime program to merchants. The Buy with Prime feature allows online consumers the option to purchase their items using the store payment method in their Amazon wallet. Shares of Shopify were up nearly 10% on the back of this news.
And the Hong Kong stock market will remain closed today after the government hoisted storm warning signal as Super Typhoon Saola approaches the city, bringing heavy rains and gales to the financial hub. The typhoon is expected to be among the 5 strongest typhoons to hit Guangdong since the year 1949.